Hello everyone, it's your girl Athena. In today's video, my client requested for a full cover nail tips, so I applied the extra long press-on nails using some Mr. Bond glue. My client is a nail biter and have very small nails. If it doesn't look small, that's because it's very close to the camera. On a normal client, I would apply the tips slightly away from the cuticle, but because her nails are shorter, I apply the tips closer to the cuticle, which makes it a little difficult to blend the tips to the natural nails, but yeah. The reason I do this is because a lot of nail biters have problem with retention, and owing to the fact that I apply these tips with just glue, I want the bond to have more area to adhere to and give her more retention than she normally would. I used my 100/180 file from Gorgeous to buff the tip, making sure it is nice and flush to the natural nail. I also cut the tips to her desired length. I first applied a thin layer of my base coat from OPI and cured it. And for the nude base, I'm using Samoan sand from OPI. I did 2 coats and cured each one in between for 60 seconds. I then applied a thin layer of matte top coat from Gorgeous and cured it. In today's video, we're going to be doing this really cute nail set. She came in with this nail design she wanted me to recreate. For her nail art, we're going to be doing some cow prints, some swirls, some French nails, and we're going to be adding some nail art onto the Frenchies. The nail inspo wasn't watermarked, so I can't give credit to the nail artist. For the pinky, I mixed pink from the bunch in the number 18 and purple from bunch in the number 198. From the inspo picture, it wasn't pink, it wasn't purple, so I mixed both together to give me this custom color. Going in with my dotting tool to create the cow print design on the index finger, I'm using white gel polish from New Show in the number 37. It's not meant to look a particular way, just create blotches in random shapes and different sizes. For the Frenchie, I'm going to draw curves on the sides to create the smile line and infill the rest of the nail with my 5mm liner brush. I'm just gonna go ahead and touch up my Frenchie and make sure it looks nice and clean. Once I'm done, I'm gonna cure it and add one more coat on top of that to get a nice solid color. For the ring finger, I'm actually supposed to use white and not pink. When I realized that, I used white as the second coat instead. To get the pink shade, I mixed white from New Show and pink from the bunch. I drew two eggs and a smile line and adjusted it with my oopsie brush, and that was it for the ring finger. On the middle finger, I drew two circles using my dotting tool. I outlined it, added two dots and a smile line on each to create this really cute nail art. I finished the swirl design on the pinky, went ahead with my cleanup brush, cleaned up the sides so that it can look nice and sharp. Using my dotting tool and a little bit of red gel polish, we created a tongue impression on the smile line on the ring finger, and that concludes today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe. I'd like to know your thoughts in the comment section. See you in the next one. Bye.